If you want to enable step counter and have a pedometer on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy A27, then the first thing that you can do is you can go to the app drawer and find the Samsung Health app, which is usually in the Samsung folder over here. So let's go to the app. Of course, we need to set it up, which is very straightforward. Just follow the instructions that you will have on this screen. So tap on Start over here. Then most likely we'll have to grant some permissions. So let's go next over here. These are, of course, optional things. You don't have to really select them if you don't want to. Then over here, we need to grant permissions, so just tap on Continue. There we go. Let's allow everything. And we are all set, at least in my case, so I'm just going to tap on Start now, and let's wait for the next menu to show up. Now over here, you might see some additional permissions that you might want to allow, so let's just quickly do so over here. After that, you should be able to simply go back to the home screen, and most likely you will immediately have a widget over here on the home screen, which allows you to track steps, which is this green icon over here with a shoe. Of course, you can also just go to the health app, and if you press and hold your finger on it, then over here we have the widgets option, and then here you can try to find a different widget that you can use. For example, here we have a couple of steps widgets, and you can just choose whichever you would like to use. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. I'm just going to drag and drop it anywhere. And there we go. Here we have the steps counter as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.